Additional on-site services are
There we go. Whew. Almost broke it off. Ew. What am I stuck on? Strange. To unlock this, you pull this back lever right here.
Perfect timing, How did you do this? What was we? 154, Jura. How can you live on that? 154 a week, is that right?
You can't live on 154 a week. And out. Oh! Do I have to take these out? Oh, I see. I need to take these off.
Опять ты руль моим лицом.
Ew.
Almost terrified in the car.
And you touched it with your face. Okay, let's see if it comes out. Yep. Alright, we got all the seats out. There's a close-up. I was saying, you know, it's not good when flies want to sit down on your car seat. Yeah, there's chicken bones. Can you go take them out? And a dime, it's a lot of money. That's 10 cents. These seats dried up, and the way I had them laying, the dirty water kind of that was coming out of the cushions came out this way. Next time I need to flip it out the other way so it drains out the back, not on the fabric. Who are you talking to? Oh. I'm just gonna spray this whole thing down. Do another wash today. I thought Alex was filming a video too. I was like, what? Since when does he do videos? Kind of sound like a video intro. Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'm gonna be fixing the internet cable. Okay. One more application on Mr. Stinky over here. Okay. I think I did this piece too, huh? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. All right. This thing smells like cigarette. Well, like it smells like the rest of the car. Cigarette and body odor. All of this smells like it too. Okay. Okay. At least these clips come out easy. What? Oh. Need a flat screwdriver. It is so hot. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Look at that. That's disgusting. Roof's still pretty dirty. Panels all cleaned up. Well, look at that, we got it all cleaned up. I feel like the worst part is these seats right here. I think some nice, like, covered seats would be nice. Oh, yep, it's all done. It's all clean. Should I show you the trunk? I don't know how to open the trunk. There's supposed to be a button right here, like a touch. I don't know. Like, I don't know if there's any other way to open the trunk without the key. Alrighty. And here it is. This was stained with that white stuff, but it's not anymore.